Hi class, tonight's distance lesson is going to be on how to make animated 3D objects in PowerPoint. Okay, to begin, we're going to escape out of this and we're going to get on a blank slide. In order to begin, we need to go home. To home, we will also go to insert. We will choose an object that we want to make 3D and animate it. There are two ways you can do this. You can click on shapes and find your shape from the many choices that are given. The second way is that you can find it right here on the menu, a list of a group of shapes, and you can always choose, double click on the shape that you want to use. For instance, I chose the smiley face, which is something I really like. Then once you choose your shape, you just make it the size you want, enlarge it and make it as large as you want. And then you're ready to do your 3D effect. You want to choose format. When you choose format, there are three boxes. There are three shapes right here. You can do shape fill, shape outline, shape effect. I chose to go right down the line and I chose the shape fill. And you choose a color that you want to fill in with. I'm a blue kind of person. I like orange though this time. You take orange and then you're also going to do your shape outline. The colors you want to use. You want to choose a color that's going to pop. So with an orange background, I think I like the black eyes. Okay. And I want to go also then to shape effect. Once you get to shape effect, you're going to go all the way down to the 3D shape, and then you will choose the one that you want. You want to move your shape so that you can see it outside of what's being done. When the drop boxes come down, you want to be able to see your shape and see what's happening with your shape. So with the 3D shape, I think I want to just turn it just slightly, maybe that way. Then I also want to go back into shape effect, and I want to go down to 3D rotation options. I want to choose 3D format, and from there you have these boxes right here that will help you to define your shape more, your object more. You can watch as it gets a little bit thicker there. For the width, it gets a little bit wider, and as the numbers increase, the shape gets wider. You can also work with the height of the shape, making it as tall as you need. You set your sizes for it, and then how deep do you want it, the look that you want. See, the larger the number gets, the deeper the shape becomes. And then you can also, if you don't like the color, this is a good place where you can go and you can change the color of your object, the lines along the side. I want to make it stand out a little bit more. I can go back into object effect, go in, and if I want to put a shadow behind it, I can put a shadow. You can do that here. let's say we choose put the shadow underneath. So now your shape has a shadow underneath. Going back, you can also rotate it. If you want to go and rotate it, you don't like the way it's looking, then let's go and let's play with the rotation. Horizontal, flip, more rotation options. If you want to flip it, you want to rotate it to a 90-degree angle, make your object 3D, 80-degree angle, 90-degree angle to the right. Then if you want to just flip it back upside down, flip it back horizontally, just play around with it until you get it just the way you want it to be. I like it hovering like that. Then you move your shape to where you want it to be on your screen, on your slide. Now let's go and let's animate it. We want to choose custom animation. When you choose custom animation, that gives you the option to add effects to your object. I want to give it an entrance. So I say entrance, I want my object to fly in. That is how it will look. If you want to add another effect to give it emphasis, you can have it spin. Now you want to see how that will look when you do that, so you can press play at the bottom and it'll give you an example of what will happen once the object comes in onto the slide. Well, just by itself, that's not too exciting. So what I want to do, I want to add sound to it to give it a sound effect. Let's choose. Those are just some of the sound effects you will hear. I kind of like the chime, but then I like the explosion. So the one that I'm going to choose, first of all, I would like the applause. So I set it with the applause. And there you have your 3D object that's also animated. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and let's get started doing PowerPoint presentations that are fun and exciting for your viewers. Thank you.